Delivering precision with flawless quality, Raptech completed a benchmark project of developing and manufacturing a boom center welding fixture for a global client in the heavy earth-moving and off-road equipment sector. The boom center welding fixture is used to precisely weld boom center assembly with utmost quality and integrity during assembly and welding process. Clamps on the boom center welding fixture are hydraulically controlled, ensuring firm placement of boom center during welding operations. It helps control distortion during welding. The flatness was maintained within 0.5 millimeters over a length of 4.5 meters. Machining accuracy is maintained within 0.2 millimeters. By conducting CMM inspections for both the boom center and the welding fixture, we ensured the dimensional accuracy is maintained, which resulted in excellent quality of the boom centers produced with zero deviations. The rotational ability of the fixture enables the welder to have better accessibility to weld effortlessly, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. For testing purposes, we have done a dry run, and for conducting full runs, we manufactured components as per customer CAD data. We use the latest manufacturing technologies like laser cutting, CNC bending, precision machining, and these child parts are assembled in the fixture for complete functional check and dimensional accuracy after welding. After satisfactory results during proving, the fixtures are supplied to customer in USA. We have fabricated 2 types of boom centers with fixtures supplied by you. Your team did a great job with the design, fabrication, and testing of this fixture. At this time, we do not have any issues with this fixture and are glad to report that back to you. The attention to detail on this fixture build is greatly appreciated and sets the standard for future ones to come. Thanks again.